Today let's talk about what the difference is between these two. We've got pole beans, green beans, and snap peas. Now you're probably thinking, Angela, I know the difference. Huge difference. One's a green bean and one's a pea, right? Yep, okay, we've established that. There's a huge difference in when they're planted. It says right here, cool season, warm season. Okay, there's another big difference. Now let's look on the back. The snap peas, when to sow outside, recommended. It tells you the soil temperature right there must be at least 40 degrees for this seed to germinate, okay? The green beans, when to sow outside, recommended 1 to 2 weeks after last frost, or when the soil temperature is 65 degrees. That's what it takes to germinate this seed. Should we start them inside? Some people do, and that's okay, but it's not recommended. So to have the success that you need for the plants that you want, you have got to follow what the plant needs. I say so many times, people are losing their seedlings. Everyone got excited and they wanted to plant a lot of stuff. And I get it. Trust me, I get it. I have a lot of things that I've planted. I'm trying to take good care of them and repot them. However, I just want you to know that you have got to pay attention to the directions on these packages, because they are going to help you succeed in the best planting situation. Okay? Much love for all of you and happy gardening.